Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to view the download location on Google Chrome for your PC, especially after the latest updates. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Chrome browser first. You need to launch your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by finding the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your taskbar and double-clicking it. Once it opens, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Click on the three dots now. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is the menu icon. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on Settings. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various preferences for your Chrome browser. Step 4. Click Downloads. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, you will see several options. Look for Downloads and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing your downloads and will show you where your files are being saved. Step 5. View Location. In the Download section, you will see a line that indicates the current download location. This path shows you exactly where Chrome saves your downloaded files by default. If you want to change this location, there's an option to do so right here as well. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage your download location in Google Chrome. This feature is incredibly useful as it helps you keep track of your files and ensures that you know exactly where everything is saved. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!